Hey, it's IT Guy Sav with yet another video, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the ANKER Series 3, and it is a USB-C data hub 4-in-1 with 5 gigabits per second transfer speed. So let's go and check this out. Okay, the good stuff starts here, the unboxing. So I'm just going to unbox it. Making sure there's nothing inside. Okay, so that's the product. Comes with a user manual, don't need it. And of course, I present to you the ANKER USB-C 4-in-1 data hub. Transfer speed of 5 gigabits per second. And just so you know, this hub supports USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. In case you're wondering how long this cable is, it is 2 feet in length. What we have here are 4 3.0 USB hubs. This is a USB-C. So let's go and connect it to a laptop or desktop and check it out. So what I want to mention here is just the feel of this ANKER USB hub. Now it feels nice, it feels pretty good to the touch, but I just want to say it is plastic. I know there are some USB hubs that are aluminum, but this one is plastic, but it has a good feel. And the reason why I bought ANKER is just the quality. I like the quality of ANKER products and also the durability and how long they last. You know, you don't really have issues with such a device. You know, you pay for what you get, and this hub retails at about $16, but you're paying for the quality, and that's one of the reasons why I love these hubs. Okay, so what I want to show you here, I have a laptop with a USB-C. As you can see, the USB-C ports here, and I'm going to connect it, and what I'm looking at or looking for is just the way, whether, you know, how smooth it is with connecting into a USB-C. I just know how good the product is once I test this out. I know it might not mean much to many people, but hey, it really does matter. Okay, all right, so that was a fairly easy slide in or insert. Okay, I'm gonna also try and remove it. I just want to see it comes up easily. Yep, it does. It's nice and sturdy and nice and firm. Just want to try it one more time just to test it out. Yep, perfect fit. Now, what comes next, of course, is connecting it to a USB drive. Again, I want to make sure, how easy these are. Sometimes some hubs I've tried can be really hard to insert and remove, and I feel it damages both your USB hub and the USB drive. So let's see how this one is, how smooth it is. Okay, so that's nice and snug too. Let's see how easy this to remove. Yeah, it's not very smooth with removing, I have to say. I'm gonna try a different USB as well. Not that it matters, but I'm gonna try this one. Okay, so that it was not very smooth again. Let's try removing it. Okay, so that's okay. I wouldn't say it's super smooth. I've had hubs which are a lot more smoother than just removal, but I think it should do the job. But I was not very impressed with how, you know, the USBs, just having to put them, say again, just do another test. Okay, so that's gone in. And yeah, it feels just a little bit rough, but other than that, I know ANKER, I've trusted the brand. I've had tons of ANKER USB 3.0 hubs and 2.0 hubs in the past, and it's a tested product. I also want to show you, I also do have one of the ANKER charging devices where you can charge your mobile phone, and that's one of the reasons why I told you always trust ANKER. You know, it's tried and tested product, and it might not be very smooth with the removal, but hey, I know this hub is going to last, so I would nevertheless still pursue on buying Anker products, including this USB hub. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's IT Guy Sav. Until next time, you take care and hope to speak to you soon in my upcoming video. Bye for now.